Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel NG3W Coding and Tech, and today we'll be learning how to swap two numbers without using a third variable. Like we know we can swap easily any two numbers with using a third variable like temp or something like that, and by using a third variable you can also swap characters and strings and something like that also, but we are only talking about numbers right now in this lesson. So let us continue. Let us start. Hashtag include stdio.h int main. Okay, int a comma b, only two variables. Printf, enter the two numbers. Okay, now scanf, and we are going to input the two values in a single scanf command only. And a comma and b. And now for the swapping logic, okay, a will be equal to a plus b, b would be equal to a minus b, okay, and a would be equal to a minus b. Okay, so now the values have been swapped. Now to print the final output, just print swapped numbers are %d and %b comma a comma b. Okay, and return 0 since we have used an main function. Now let us run if this is working or not. Okay, instead of enter I have used enter. Okay, let me clear that. Okay, now let us run. Enter the two numbers 4 and 5. Okay, swap numbers are 5 and 4. Okay, great, it's working. But now let us see how it's working, like what's the logic behind this. So we can see in this line over here, a is actually carrying the value of both a and b. Okay, and now when in b we remove the value of b, so b will only carry the value of a. So this is where the swapping happens, and we can do this only in the form of numbers. Like we cannot do this type of swapping for characters. Okay, and we can try one more thing. One more logic is there, like I can use a is equal to b minus a, and then b is equal to b minus a, and a is equal to a plus b. Okay, this is also going to work. I'll show you. Use \n over here because it doesn't look so good on the same line. Clear. We'll run it. Enter the two numbers. Okay, 4 and 5. Swap numbers are 5 and 4. Okay, great. Even this method is working. Give a thought on this, how this is working. It's really very simple. Even one more way is there. You could do it in a single line also. Like we'll use a plus b and then minus b is equal to a semicolon. Okay, now it's going to give me a warning. but it is going to work. 5 4 5, swap numbers are 5 and 4. Okay, great. Now your thought on this, how this is working. Okay, and I'll show you one more method where we are using multiplication and division for this stuff. Okay, now most of you would have asked that, okay, what if it's not divisible? But it's nothing like that. I've used prime numbers only over here, 5 and 7. So even you can even see the working, how it's working. Okay, now we are going to run this again. Inputs 4 and 5, numbers after swapping are 5 and 4. Okay, so these were all the methods where you could swap the numbers without using a third variable, and this will be only useful while using numbers, not while using characters or strings or any other value. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Okay, and share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up if you really liked it, and we'll meet in the next video. Thanks.